even the best tools won't help if the workplace suffers from a lack of lighting. This possible work light can solve this problem straight away. It has 5 operating modes, and produces a really bright beam of light, up to 2000 lumens. This is enough to work under the hood even at night, with zero natural light. In this mode, however, the battery is only enough for 1 hour of work. But you can increase the working time up to 12 hours, by choosing a different mode. The adjustable handle will help you move the workplace, allow you to adjust the angle of the globe, and make work less boring. It also has built-in speakers. Have you ever noticed the positions mechanics have to work in? They could benefit from added comfort. And this chair made in Canada is an option. It's custom made, which means that it takes about 10 weeks to produce. One great feature is the backrest, which can be adjusted from 10 to 75 degrees using a motor. The chair is powered by 2 18-volt batteries. And with its robust wheels, it's no surprise they named it the Beast. If there were trays on the sides to hold tools and parts. The manufacturer also makes custom versions upon request. Even in an aircraft factory, working on this chair would be perfectly acceptable. Many garage owners should arrange a convenient storage system, so they always know what they have, and where it's stored. The creators of these systems can help with this. They're useful in garages, warehouses, industrial areas, and similar places. There are 3 options. A slide system that can hold up to 12 containers and 420 pounds of load, a mini lift with a platform, ready to carry up to 700 pounds, and a fixed shelf that can hold 1,000 pounds. All of this comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This next gadget will fix a flat tire quickly and easily, and solve a couple of other problems at the same time. The manufacturer has equipped it with a whole set of nozzles, so it can inflate anything from bicycle tires to bold pool toys. The device is powerful, flowing out up to 1.2 cubic feet of air per minute. It can raise the pressure of the tire from 0 to 35 psi in just 5 minutes. To make it even more convenient to work with, the device has a built-in flashlight. Next is a joint play tester, that's used to test the chassis and steering of a car, and can find axle problems, for example. It doesn't require power, compressed air, or anything else. It's compact and suitable for cars weighing up to 7,700 pounds. The system allows you to quickly simulate a variety of road situations, such as cornering on both axes. See clear result and immediately show it to the client. And at the same time explain what needs to be repaired. The system was designed by a master mechanic, and its total weight is about 141 pounds. This new Magic Jack will come in handy in any car repair shop. It can lift up to 7,760 pounds to high up to 16 inches. The system is compact, and will help you even when working with cars with low ground clearance. The working pressure is 6 to 10 bar. And thanks to the two-valve system, the jack can be disconnected from the pump without the risk of uncontrolled dropping. It weighs only 44 pounds, and is equipped with wheels for easy transport around the shop. Let's take a look at this Terminator designed to repair windshields for you. The manufacturer promises that it will work completely for you, but that's not completely true. You will still need some preparation. But after that, all you have to do is set the program you need, and you can go about your business. This is the only solution with this degree of automation on the market. According to the website of the company, the repair is done by vacuum, and is useful for chips, cracks, and other defects that cause dirt and moisture to accumulate. Mechanics will be even more pleased with this creeper, especially if they work on buses or trucks. This version is three-wheeled, and has adjustable ground clearance. Not even all cars can do that. And the shape reminds us of an office chair. There are two armrests, with two trays, and a soft polyurethane headrest. The payload is 500 pounds. The chair is stable, even when maneuvering, and the universal wheels up all terrain. The quickest and most effective way to install flexible CV boots, with diameters up to 4.5 inches. Says the manufacturer. Any experienced driver knows that the CV joint, or constant velocity joint, works under heavy load. When it's torn or worn boots, drastically reducing the joint service life. The tool on the screen works with compressed air, making it easier to replace the boots. The video tutorial is only 5 minutes long, and the design is so successful that the manufacturer recommends the model for professional workshops as well. Keep in mind that it requires flexible CV boots, because regular ones are often too hard for this kind of installation. The track features the rapid pump system with 2 pumps, enabling faster work, and its extra-wide steel rollers ensure stability during use. Additionally, these ramps make the perfect companion for Jack, the video creator, who made them himself, allowing him to effortlessly lift the car up to 23 centimeters, without any issues. A morsel classic in the form of a jack, this 3-ton version is available for $140. They can raise the vehicle about 60 centimeters from the ground. And a comfortable lifting experience is provided by a handle that measures a whole drum of 14 centimeters. Jason Mega hooks hold a mind-blowing 50 pounds. The goal is to help everyone from housewives to professional builders with organizing tools and accessories. Thanks to a powerful magnet, the hook can be fixed on metal surfaces in what motion. Plus, the manufacturers offer 2 sizes, 3 and 4.5 inches, and different shapes. In addition, they sell a steel plate, useful if you have a lot of tools. Australia has made significant contributions to the world. I'm not just talking about the band AC/DC. Check out, for example, these innovative platforms that can rotate entire concert halls. When it comes to the ideal car parking solution, the team has experience collaborating with clients from various countries, like Singapore and Canada. And they provide a personalized approach.